it stuck to the they gotta get it.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be fixing the website.
It's fixed? It's freaking huge. How are you gonna fix it?
Yeah, I don't know what you're how to fix
So,
that.
There's nothing in your hair now.
life with siblings.
Life is simply
Okay, so I'm gonna put some flavoring.
And you're one of the worst ones here.
Now that you heard,
What?
I'm about to go right around the block a little bit. Wanna come?
Sure.
Too bad.
So guys, I'm just gonna hurry and
You wanna
mix
come with
this.
us?
Are we gonna use our roller skates?
If you can use your roller skates if you want, but I'm using my grip stick.
Okay, I'm gonna use my roller skates. So guys, it's this, and I'm just gonna place it in here.
That's if mommy lets us though.
Yeah.
I mean, she might let me, but I don't know about you.
I'm able to go with you.
Well, I know for a fact I can go, but I don't know about you.
So fluffy, guys. Fluffy first. Giveaways will be soon. I'll be doing giveaways soon. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below.
So,
Comment down below on Isla Squad.
Stop, you retard.
So you're gonna comment down below Slime Squad, guys.
What is this going on YouTube?
Yes.
Let me do
more.
No, you can't post this on YouTube. If you're gonna post it on YouTube, you need to go in a quiet room.
No, I'm fine. You have to do Asmar. I'll be linking my brothers. YouTube if you like. Would you like
I don't even have a YouTube channel like that.
You don't have it anymore?
I want to touch it, you mean?
So should I add more shaving cream, Emmy?
So,
Yes, now I'm gonna add it.
That's good. That's good, Emmy. Don't. Oh my God.
That's how you do it, guys.
If you guys could see from the camera, this just happened.
Why you gotta be so mean to me?
I'm gonna put the shaving cream in, guys. She put so much. I gotta clean this table after I'm done. Read 'em, boys. Holla. Abby, can you get me a
we the boys!
Wipe? Oh, you think I can get you any wipes?
Yes. Yeah, you have 2 hands and 2 feet
And you have hands and 2 feet as well.
that I'm using.
You ain't using your 2 feet?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Sure you are.
So, guys, I'm just gonna place this right here. I'm gonna put the slime into the container while I clean this table real quick.
What?
Guys, it's so fluffy in there. Okay, guys, we're just gonna clean this up. Oh, I got 2 wipes. Okay.
They're all beautiful again. The third time.
Okay, guys, I'm there.
Get your naked so happy.
Hi, everyone. Look at this disgusting slime.
You want it! I mean, but you want it, right?
You can't just throw a rag around the crust. When you're done using a rag, you can't just throw it wherever.
Wait, I need to try it.
Drown it.
No, I need to try it.
This is right with this.
Don't worry, guys. I'm just cleaning this mess that she made. She doesn't know how to clean after herself. She's stupid. Yeah, this is our maid, guys.
Yeah, totally. I'm totally not her sister. She's being retarded. No, totally not.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good, Miss Vega. Ow! Don't do this at home, guys. Ow! Ow!
I know.
Guys, I'm gonna share her TikTok.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put my TikTok down below, guys. Ow! Ow!
Then stop talking about me.
I'm not. I'm gonna put my TikTok in, guys. I'm gonna put my TikTok in, guys, and I'm gonna link it down below. It's a really cool TikTok. Sorry, guys. So it's pretty big and fluffy. I didn't do it. It's pretty big and fluffy.
Ella told me to smack you, so.
But why?
Because you can't.
Is there more? Stop.
Bravo.
I mean, stop. Hi, look at that
I
little
will get
wormy.
my mother. I will get my mom.
What the freak? You're telling me to stop and then you're gonna do moves random. You're gonna do something you're not supposed to.
I'm making this table noise.
Bravo.
Well, mainly you and me, but
Flamingo bird. Flamingo. Comment down below her slime is trash. Just kidding.
Ryan's foot.
Do it.
give me some salt. I'm kidding.
A bunny's foot.
My slime's
You need salt. Somebody needs salt.
You can make slime with salt.
Raw rabbit.
You should put some vanilla extract.
Yeah, but it barely works though.
I know.
I'm dying because of slime right now.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna add a little more shaving cream.
And you're trying to get it off of me. Go wash your hands. Wash your hands, bruh. You'll be thanking me.
Pork pole.
The slime. Don't mind her, guys. We got her from the zoo.
Yeah.
And now you should do a challenge on your channel. Buying slime and doing your own twist to it and adding stuff to it.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah, but that would probably be in the future because he hasn't had enough money to do anything right now.
You barely have any subscribers right now.
I have more than you.
Like, how many subscribers do you have?
17.
Well, that's good for a starter. So he has like a few videos.
No, it's not. I'm with extra friend. He gave me a shelter. He has like 200 subs.
Wasn't that the dude?
What dude?
Remember the dude that gave us both a shout out?
Is it
That's an
lunchtime?
anime dude.
Is it lunchtime yet?
Huh?
If you guys want to shout out,
Basically,
comment down below. So guys, that's
She
pretty
said
much it.
during lunch
I'm
we're
gonna
gonna
make some videos down below.
We'll go get
I'm
it.
going to do a lot. So see you guys. See you guys.
It's time.
Bye.
Leave me alone. I'm